At minimum, how long should the entire hand washing process take? A. 15 seconds. B. 20 seconds. C. 60 seconds. D. 45 seconds. The correct answer is B. 20 seconds. The entire process of scrubbing, rinsing, and drying hands should take at least 20 seconds. The scrubbing portion should last at least 10 to 15 seconds. Which of the following items is appropriate to wear when preparing food? A. A medical alert bracelet on the wrist. B. Artificial nails. C. Fingernail polish on trimmed and filed nails. D. A plain wedding band on the finger. The correct answer is D. A plain wedding band on the finger. A plain wedding band is an acceptable item to wear when preparing food. Other jewelry, including medical alert bracelets and necklaces, is not. Nails must be kept trimmed and filed, but they may not have polish on them. Artificial nails are prohibited. Which of the following is TCS food? A. Saltines. B. Coffee. C. Baked potato. D. Bananas. The correct answer is C. Baked potato. TCS food requires time and temperature controls to prevent the growth of microorganisms and the production of toxins. A baked potato is a TCS food. Which of the following is a TCS food? A. Saltines. B. Baked potato. C. Bananas. D. Coffee. The correct answer is B. Baked potato. TCS food requires time and temperature controls to prevent the growth of microorganisms and the production of toxins. A baked potato is a TCS food. So what a toxin is commonly found in? A. Amberjack. B. Tuna. C. Cod. D. Pollock. The correct answer is A. Amberjack. Saguaro toxin is commonly found in amberjack. What type of thermometer should be used to check the internal temperature of a beef roast? A. Surface. B. Penetration. C. Air. D. Immersion. The correct answer is B. Penetration. A penetration thermometer should be used to check the internal temperature of a beef roast. Which list represents proper sanitation for a surface? A. Clean the surface, rinse the surface, sanitize the surface, dry the surface with a towel. B. Clean the surface, rinse the surface, sanitize the surface, allow the surface to air dry. C. Sanitize the surface, clean the surface, rinse the surface, dry the surface with a towel. D. Clean the surface, sanitize the surface, rinse the surface, allow the surface to air dry. The correct answer is B. Clean the surface, rinse the surface, sanitize the surface, allow the surface to air dry. In order for a surface to be considered sanitized, you must clean the surface, rinse the surface, sanitize the surface, allow the surface to air dry, in that order. What is the purpose of setting a critical limit in the cooking process of TCS food? A. Reduce hazards to safe levels. B. Avoid serving undercooked food to high-risk customers. C. Identify potential hazards. D. Identify where hazards can be eliminated. The correct answer is A. Reduce hazards to safe levels. Setting a critical limit in the cooking process of TCS food reduces hazards to safe levels. Food that is partially cooked and then finished just before service must be heated to what temperature? A. 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. B. 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. C. 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. D. 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 68 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. The correct answer is A. 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Food that is partially cooked and then finished just before service must be heated to 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds. Although all food is in danger of becoming spoiled, which is not considered a high-risk food for bacterial contamination. A. Melon. B. Eggs. C. Uncooked chicken. D. Bread. The correct answer is D. Bread. Although bread is at risk for developing mold as it ages, the other options are all considered high-risk foods, and they typically become contaminated much faster if not properly stored. Melon, besides being raw produce, is at risk due to its high water content. When should the food handler change his gloves? A. After handling ready-to-eat foods. B. As long as they are washed regularly. The same gloves can be used the entire shift. C. When they are dirty. D. Every hour. The correct answer is C. When they are dirty. At minimum, gloves must be changed every 4 hours, and they should always be changed whenever they are dirty or torn. What is a basic characteristic of a virus? A. Grows in food. B. Requires a living host to grow. C. Destroyed by cooking. D. Commonly found in cattle intestines. The correct answer is B. Requires a living host to grow. A virus requires a living host to grow. 13. Kendall is thirsty and wants to keep her beverage nearby. How and where can she store it? A. Under no circumstances are personal drinks allowed in a food preparation area. B. The drink must be in a covered container with a straw and stored in a non-food prep area. C. The drink must be labeled and stored in a designated space in the food prep area. D. As long as the drink is properly covered and labeled, it may be kept in any location that is convenient. The correct answer is B. The drink must be in a covered container with a straw and stored in a non-food prep area. Personal beverages must be kept covered and in a non-food prep area to prevent spilling or contamination. A soup bowl is washed but not rinsed properly, and there is still some soap on the bowl surface when soup is served to the next guest. Which type of food contamination would this be considered? A. Biological. B. Chemical. C. Physical. D. Sanitation. The correct answer is B. Chemical. There are 3 types of food contamination: physical, chemical, and biological. Chemical contamination occurs when a chemical, such as a cleaner, pesticide, or sanitizer interacts with food. When should a shipment of fresh chicken be rejected? A. Shell stock identification tags are not attached to the container. B. The flesh of the chicken is firm and springs back when touched. C. The receiving temperature is 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. D. The flesh of the chicken appears moist. The correct answer is C. The receiving temperature is 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. A shipment of fresh chicken should be rejected if the receiving temperature is 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. What is the final step in cleaning and sanitizing a prep table? A. Allowing the surface to air dry. B. Rinsing the surface. C. Cleansing with detergent. D. Sanitizing the surface. The correct answer is A. Allowing the surface to air dry. The final step in cleaning and sanitizing a prep table is allowing the surface to air dry.